APPL program helped me in the building my skills in data analysis and writing and research and in presenting all the things very effectively. All the things I learned in the APPL program, I applied in the assignment, uh, so through which I got selected in the CCS. Plus, it helped me in my resume building well also. Yeah, so it was more of a uh, that coach is guiding you. You don't review the assignment once only. So yeah, until it looks until it looks perfect. So yeah, that's really appreciable program. Plus, I have done a project in that program too, but that was like compiling 5, 6 resources from the internet into a new one. So that was not quite helpful, not valuable in the market too. And like unlike here in the APPL program, we are building our authentic white paper. Yeah, I think absolutely. It is worth it because first I've learned the skills which I can use throughout my career. Second is I secured an internship at CCS, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to secure a good full-time role soon.
Hello, Dishita. Congratulations on getting an internship with Center for Civil Society. So for our audiences, can you briefly introduce yourself and share your background?
Yeah, thank you, Jigyasu. I'm Dishita. After my graduation, I started preparing for civil services. Although uh, I built my skills and I had a strong foundation in the diverse subjects and analysis skills and time management, etc. Things didn't work out very well, so decided to pivot in the field of public policy. So yeah, currently I'm volunteering with an climate related organization, and recently I started my internship with CCS.
For sharing this. And how did the project-based upskilling program at APPL prepare you for the internship at CCS?
So that's uh, basically a turning point for me. APPL program helped me in the building my skills in data analysis and writing and research and in presenting all the things very effectively. Uh, so yeah, all the things I learned in the APPL program, I applied in the assignment, uh, so through which I got selected in the CCS. Plus, it helped me in my resume building well also.
Okay, fantastic. So basically, APPL program provided you a lot of fodder, which you, number one, mentioned in your CV, strengthening your CV, and it also later helped you excel the take-home assignment.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, fantastic. And can you also share how the one-on-one mentorship sessions, resume mentorship sessions with Rebounce helped you in this overall selection process?
Yeah, it was quite really helpful for me. Earlier, my resume was not in proper structure, and the sections were also not in proper alignment according to my profile, which was not really uh, expressing my strengths and my accomplishments. So yeah, with Rebounce, I learned how to structure them properly, how to use impactful action words, and how to quantify my work which I have done. So yeah, uh, overall it's built my resume well, and plus it gave me the confidence as well to apply for roles as well. Yeah.
Okay, yes, makes a lot of sense. And can you also share a bit about how the personal handholding and support with take-home assignment helped you excel in this specific assignment?
Yeah, so it was more of a uh, that coach is guiding you. So uh, so the suggestions and the feedback given by you was really to the point, quite helpful and quality suggestions. So and the best thing is you don't review the assignment once only. So yeah, until it looks until it looks perfect. So yeah, that's really appreciable.
Okay, thank you. Thank you especially for discussing that part that we don't review assignment or any part, let's say resume, cover letter,
Resume.
whatever it is, once. We review it till it is impeccable. Because
Yeah.
anything less than that is not acceptable, neither by asset rebounds nor by the organization. So there is no point in just, fulfilling all those 2 sessions, 3 sessions kind of commitment, that does not make a lot of sense. All right.
Yeah.
Dishita, in the past, you were also part of Global Governance Initiative, Young Leaders Program. So despite of this, what were your reasons to enroll for our Applied Public Policy Lab program after this?
So yeah, I choose the APPL program because it was more of a focus on practical hands-on project. Just like the focus is on uh, building hands-on skills, mentorship, industry readiness. So yeah, it really makes you ready for the job market. So that was what I looked in the program. Plus, I have done a project in that program too, but that was like compiling 5, 6 resources from the internet into a new one. So that was not quite helpful, not valuable in the market too. And like unlike here in the APPL program, we are building our authentic white paper. So yeah, it was great. That was
Right.
a reason.
Right. Thanks for sharing this. Actually, what you said about authentic white paper. So that is very important, because at the end of the day, how much effort you put in to build that paper, what skills you build in the process, and how you leverage all those skills is important. The idea is not to just showcase 4, 5 white papers or say 4, 5 internship in your CV. The idea is to showcase one internship or one white paper, but which is valuable, where you have actually done something, where you can showcase your practical exposure. Yes, makes a lot of sense. So, do you think that the investment of both the money and the time at APPL is finally worth making it?
Yeah, I think absolutely. It is worth it because first I've learned the skills which I can use throughout my career. Second is I secured an internship at CCS, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to secure a full-time role, a good full-time role soon. And I think yeah, so I think it's worth the investment completely.
Okay, okay. We certainly look forward to support you for many more full-time opportunities. We are here to help you, guide you. So, can you also share any one word about your overall journey with the APPL?
Yeah, it was more of a transformative and empowering journey for me. Yeah.
Hmm, interesting. And what advice would you like to give some fellow ex-UPSC aspirants who are planning to enroll for this course but are really confused about whether to go about it? No.
So yeah, if you are planning for if you're considering this role, I'm assuming that you are considering the public policy sector or the related spaces. So yeah, as UPSC aspirants, we already have a good, strong analytical skills and discipline, and able to connect ideas well, able to correlate things well. So yeah, this really helps in this field. Plus, the program really teaches you from data extraction to condensing it to analyzing it to presenting it in a best possible way. So yeah, it makes you ready for the job market. Um, so I think if they are feeling stuck or uh, don't know what can be the next step, so yeah, they can certainly consider this course.
Okay, okay. Thank you for sharing this, and it was really nice talking to you, Dishita. We look forward to support you in your journey.
Thank you.